Pretending reality. Does a child have the right to know who their father is no matter what? La Cour des Arts de la Dominique, Inc., in collaboration with the Division of Human Services, invites the St. Lucian public to the showing of its short film, Pretending Reality. Film written by Dominican Gloria Septra Augustus and directed by Curtis Clarendon.
Look, my brother, say you dying with cancer.
With consultant cultural icon Dr. Alwyn Bully. Saturday, 22nd September at 7 p.m. at the Financial Center in Sans Souci.
You I kill you! You want me there to torment my life?
Entrance is free. Come see Pretense extract truth and truth ignite tragedy. Come see the film Pretending Reality.
I just want him to accept me before he dies.
Saturday, 22nd September, Financial Center, 7 p.m. Come see and take action.